Alright, I am back with some Mod Podge. My small container of Mod Podge. That's more of a mixture of water and glue than it is Mod Podge, but that's okay. It's going to do what we need it to do. And I probably should move this out of the way. Use my back. And it's just like painting in my mind. Alright, now I'm going to take some of this crinkled up paper here and just and I purposely like it crinkly looking. When it dries, I'll cut the tissue paper out and everything, but until it's dry, we're just going to let it sit overnight like this. And then tomorrow I will finish it. So what I'm going to do, set this there. I grab the piece of paper I have it underneath of, and I'm just going to set it aside for right now. So give me a moment here. It takes me a little bit with the broken ink or with the ink issue. And as you know, my daughters like to fight together all the time. It's never ending. Alright. This one, I need a piece of cardboard, I think. I think this one I'll do on a different video. I need a cardboard that one. That one I need a cardboard. This one definitely need to use a cardboard on. I know I have one that I don't need cardboard for it, so let me dig a little. This one I don't think I need the cardboard for. So, that one I am going to glue on this. So my main goal is to get the cover onto this part. So, we're going to set it up like this. And I think I'm going to just tear it down a little. Just because we don't need all of these pieces. hanging out. Because it's going to be like covering a book the good old regular way. Put this Mod Podge away because that ain't what I'm going to use in order to do this. Rosie and Bella will fight to the point of hurting each other physically. Bad. And it's somehow my fault every single time, so. But you can definitely tell Rosie's just as tired as Bella, because otherwise Rosie would not be crying right now. She does that when she's starting to feel tired. Oh, it's already starting to dry, so I need to... And this is a spine, and I'm just going to glue that spine next on. Just to give it a little extra, make sure it stays. Love Fabri-Tac for this particular project. Just like a regular paper cover, I guess is what you'd call it, but I personally like the decoration on this, so I'm going to, with all the gold and everything. I don't have clips at the moment, so that will work. So our kids and me started watching a new docu-series on Disney. And that is called Lost Cities. They were definitely getting tired when I started playing that. kind of hit their weak spot of I'm boredness. I guess that's a way to make it sit for a little bit. But then we're just a couple covers that I've been working on. Wanted to do a few covers, get them done. But that's all we're doing today. I want to show you a sneak peek on what I'm going to try using up soon-ish. This box here full of random stuff. I just want to use it up, see what's there and everything else. I figured might as well do that on screen. I know some of it's stuff that I made before the night or the week before my ankle, and I know some of it I made when I was sitting on bed rest. Some of it was made weeks ago. I don't know. It's a box that I filled up of random stuff that were not finished, and I figured we could maybe spend some time finishing them. You might see me a little bit more out in my living room because the kids and me have been spending more time outside, and as the weather permits, I will be working on better lighting. That is a definite, way better lighting. But right at the moment, work with what I have. So that would be my update and everything. I am planning, once I get 20 subscribers, to have a 20 subscriber giveaway, just because I think everybody deserves to get a little something. So enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.